Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Curious King. Nizza. Oh yeah, some general.
She had tried friends on
Went down to the
me.
ground.
Hey,
Yo, girl.
walk on with the friend zone.
Me a man too.
Down with the friend zone.
Want to what man do?
Hey,
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try.
no sir, can't me you a cheater. No sir, can't me you a cheater. No sir, just when me think we a get closer. Remember the things you said to me on the sofa. With ya, every funds me have a Scotia. Make plans, say me woulda buy you the Porsche. But you wouldn't want settle down foot, hot kettle, yo. Who you really think care for you? Remember I was there for you. Remember I'm still there for you.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not.
Hello,
Hello.
Pinky.
Hello.
Hold on.
There, man. What happened?
Me there. You know, say, you know, long me I try to get the number. You know, say, one of my boy me call down in Jamaica there and me. And so me get the number. I try reach out to you, man, cause boy, are you with me there, so you know?
That's your word, man.
Are you boss me get a meet a white man and the other side, you know? So what you deal with?
You know, somebody I do a Chevron. I go on normal. Yo, watch out now. Don't forget me, pa. Don't forget me.
No, man, me can't do that. Me nah go do that. Remember, say you get me up best man, you get me meet white man and the other side, you know? So for the leg, be alone, you know? Right now, I'm still doing 9 to 5 and you know the way they
For real, man.
work. Yeah, man, and you get me up that side, you know? So, you know, say when me make a piece of money, you can send a piece of food, come get the same way, see? You know what I say? It just come off fire phone with Lexi a while ago. She had a ball and a go on the most way. Jaja. Yeah, call me back here. Yo, me too call you back here.
Alright. That's your word.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Yo, cuz. How are you there?
I'm there, you know, what going?
Me there, man. I can't go and give me one link right now.
Alright, may I come? Give me about 10 minutes. May I come right now? Give me about 10 minutes.
Alright.
Pinky.
Oi, cuz.
Oh, go on. That day you sitting there, son. I'm telling you, 10 minutes. So, what go on?
You reach fast, though.
So, I'm some money you have to give me?
You know, say I see him sitting there, ask me for the do with Chevron, me do it, though.
Hold on. Siobhan, him gone over already?
Yes.
Yo, you know what say you're a star? If nobody else would ask to do this, then could have never come true. Yo, me I tell you, you're a real star, so that means I can't get in here now.
Cause it better for him and it better for you. But you know, a long time I want Alexis still, you know.
You mean,
A long time, cause. So I just hopes everything work out, cause I'm our friend for 13 to 14 years, cause. And if you really want you would have dealt with you a long time. So just hope say no, cause me just tell us I just hope say everything work out.
I sound so. You know, me not have a workout, man. You sound so. Gone, man. I know say she have a heartbroken right now, and me, she always a call for support. So you know, so like how she single now, that the man they gone, and me, she have to deal with that now. Me will get through, man. Not top with the negativity, man.
Cause me just a say, cause enough man want to smell this a just catches and can't smell it. Me have them in a friend zone, and me and them will never there. Much as you come on top of me, you hear me? I say, cause me just a tell her something.
But cause that are you, man. I'm telling you, man, we are going to tell me about all the jaw scratches for it.
Cause you know something like how you behave. Me just a put up on your gun and look at you like I'm not like how you behave, man.
Have a little faith in them, man. Me will get in, so you say. Gone.
Yes, cuz.
Laws and
Be
spirit.
ready.
Get the man gone and yo, you're tough. You're tough,
You
girl.
see, you come about you jump up on the ambition and have. I'm making it tell me to forget when I white girl them give you if you go overseas, go make life better for you.
Top man, someone. I know say Alexi, me love. Look how long me, look about 13, 14, me love Alexi, me love, man. I'm telling you, man. Lexi, Lexi. What go on, Lexi?
Ready?
Me there home. How you sound, so?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay from when just to ask if I can come like we could chill or something.
No problem, man. We can come. You sure you're alright, man? Alright, may I come. No problem, may I come. Listen, tell you. I see that I can't me I go over there now.
Me do that in a course and me do that!
Yo, I'm leaving later, I can't stay, man.
Alright.
Lexi?
Yeah? Come in.
Come.
Yeah, a long time. Just take it for come check.
Lexi,
Yeah?
where I look so?
Nothing do my eyes again.
Lexi, come on. I know you for almost 15 years now. I'm here how your son on the phone. I know say something up.
How my son again?
You don't sound like Lexi, you don't sound like the person. You don't sound happy.
How one me never son now.
Something alright. What's your one there? Talk to me, tell me what. You know you can't talk to me.
Last week, it was with the dinner. I mean, I put him over everybody, my sister, my mother, everybody. I'm trying my best to make him happy. And one morning, I get up and him ask me for iron brand new white jacket and tuxedo. And my iron the suit. Only thing was that him I got married. And him did I got married to somebody else.
Siobhan. Alright, don't stress out yourself over it there. Everything will be alright. I know it might sound hard, but everything will be alright. Everything alright. Don't worry yourself.
They gonna never deserve me. always do love him. And anything he want me give him. Everything. He want me to finish service.
Alright.
What about my man? I keep wanting him back. I forget him back. I want him back.
Everything I got, alright, let's see, man. Oh, what's this? You wanna get some to eat?
Yeah.
Just relax, take some deep breaths. Let's say you want a cup soup.
Yeah, I need that.
No, I don't like it when it's soft.
Yeah, I always tell us I can't eat it when it's soft. I have to eat it when it kind of half cook, like, you know.
Lexi,
Yeah.
I'm looking at the cupboard and I'm not seeing nothing in there.
Akin, it's okay. I mean, since everything and with Siobhan, I'm not buy up nothing. I'm just not feel the vibes again.
I'm going to face.
Yeah.
I'm going out of town and I get some stuff here, so you don't have to worry about
Akin,
it.
you know, really have to. You know, have to.
Listen to me now. Need if you stop stress out over
I'm
this.
not stressing.
Listen to me. Siobhan is no good for you. I go down in the town, get some stuff here, so you don't have to stress out over this. You need to eat.
Can I say something to you?
Yeah, okay.
This is my problem. And me no need you. You're not supposed to stress over my problem. I mean, appreciate you much as though you're there and he's a really great friend to me. Me no need you for your stress. You already do enough for me and everything. I mean, everything is on Siobhan right now.
Get me? You go through one rough time, your head all over the place. I understand, but just know say I'm there for you. No matter what, I'm always there for you.
You know, I really appreciate that, right?
So, I'm gonna just run some errands, I'm gonna bring back some dinner for you later. Alright?
Bring back, very good, No. So,
Alright, tell you what, me call you when I'm on the road, alright?
alright.
But take care of yourself.
Oh, what do you want?
And don't stress out, you know.
Yeah, man. Since you know, like, that's why I just always know that, like, yo, the connection between me as a friend, yo, I love you just, like, you're such a great friend. Someone that take advantage. Because at this moment, like, I'm very vulnerable. And I just really say, just keep it friend. Keep it as a friendship, and I really like that.
Yeah, you know, so I'm always there for you. No matter what, all the time, anytime, every time.
I realize and I like that.
So, I'm gonna run some errands. I'm gonna care about dinner for you later.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
So-
just, alright, just be safe and thing, I'll call you, alright?
Alright.
Browning, what? Long time I see you.
Hey, girl, you know, say I work on this something. So, how you look so?
Oh,
Girl, how you need to cry?
why would I cry, Browning?
Okay, if it's so still, but anyway, still. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I get one package and I'm not going to here because I got a dentist when you receive it from me.
Oh, you want me to collect it for you?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright. Take care.
here. What's up? How you been? Good. How have you been?
I'm good. I'm just like so confused. Like, I come out so deep. You want to talk about it, but I'm just coming out of a breakup with me and my boyfriend a couple of days ago. So confusing. Yeah.
Yeah, this sounds like a perfect opportunity for you to give me the number, because I mean, I've been trying, just not giving a chance, so
That's true. Yeah, but I mean, like, I never see her as the type that, like, you know, I always see her like, you know, like a friendly, like, you know. This is the first time I'm actually coming, like, what a coincidence.
It sounds like a perfect opportunity to give me a number.
Really?
Yeah,
I'd have to think about that.
just think about it. Why not? Just give me a number, then we can be friends.
Ready?
Yeah.
Well, like, I just come out for a couple days ago, I come out of my relationship and I have a mental breakdown. So I'm just not really in my right mind right now.
I mean, I think I can relate to what you're going through, because I mean, I feel like I've been through the same thing, because I mean, my girlfriend did me the same thing. She said she go a foreign for a work program for 6 months, and 6 months turned into a 2 year. Last time me here, she get pickney.
Wow.
I'm married. You know what I said? So I think I can relate. So I know if you give me a number, and I mean we start talk and see what happens, I know I'll be different. You know what I say?
I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna give it a try. Alright?
Alright, so I'll call you, alright?
Yeah, you can do that.
Alright, later.
Alright. Hello? Kamar. Wagwan. You can buy one tough crackers and one Alaska for me. Please. Alright.
Wagwan.
Then. Thanks. Thanks.
Oh, everything come up to 1,200, you know.
Yeah, man. I don't know money, I know, so next time.
You just call me. Why make you never tell me that? Let me know if I budget myself.
Stop going saying I can't buy a friend one crackers and all that come on. A long time me your friend, you know. Long time me your friend. Stop going so man.
No, man, that good, man. Now make a big deal out of it. Yo, I go up on the road, you know, because I have to go out and make the little money there, see it, because I have some business to deal with.
Yo, mama. Where you going? You tell me if you can link it to my money. I know me think well. What going for money?
You know, say look thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get through door.
Man, you can't tell me so I don't get you money. A long time I lend my money in yo.
Just hold on, so make care of me and a friend.
You tell me say today, you know, I mean I look for your money today, you know. And you make me walk, waste my time, come around here, so. Eh? And you gonna tell me say no money no today.
So
How can I stay a lot more?
so make care rush me, so me and a friend.
Friend what? Me like friend. When it comes to my money, me and nobody and a friend. And nobody make me have to load up here today, because I want my money today. And nobody make me have to load up here. Where is she me for?
Look, hold on. Give me a couple days. Give me till Friday, please. Yeah, so me get it, me put $1,000 extra on the gear. Because I don't know how to deal with friendships, so you know that.
And like say me I do nothing, you know. When it comes to money, nobody ramp with me money, you know.
Oh, calm down yourself,
Calm down what? Calm down what? You want me load up the place, man, make the people here remote run
I'm not talking about me gear money, but you say me and my friend them all down and sleep, man.
Yo, make sure it's a Friday I'm come and get money and nobody ramp with me, you know. You me I tell you? Nobody ramp with me, you know, because when it comes to my money, you know. When me there lineating I you never have to go through nothing, you know. You get nice and easy. So why when time to come for my money now a problem, eh?
Why when we fi come for money no a problem?
So me not tell us I sort out a couple things and it never work out. By Friday I get the money pa.
It's a friend,
I don't wanna deal. No, I don't wanna deal friendship so man.
A friend mash up this.
I don't wanna deal friendship so.
What kind of style that they have? She doesn't really like it here.
Yeah.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Alright, so look dance out so
Yeah, but you're 6.
yeah. Alright, so I'll take care of this and then you're going to help me pick something out, alright?
Yeah, darling.
Alright.
She have some nice shirt, you know. So what kind of shirt you like? Button up or
Yeah, I prefer button up.
all in
I
one?
prefer button up.
This one a button
Yeah, so yes sir, we just allow you to
up.
you
Wow.
just choose something for me, and I feel like go too fussy if you choose now. You just pick
I
something.
like this. This nice.
It is nice.
A gap, this now.
Yeah.
This is gap. This
Alright.
is nice. This is cute.
Yeah. Alright, so we work with them too, okay.
Yo, Taman. Are we there? Down your yard? Alright. Me a call Linka because I have nothing to chat to you about. Alright. Taman.
Well, go on, Mama.
Me there. Hey, I put some weight though. All a beard and... No, Taman.
I'm there, pay fish and something, you know, so you know how things come down, you know. So what go on, where they from?
You know what I say? I check my country if you want money do.
You sort out that there, you see me? What you say you want again?
10 grand.
Know yourself, man. I'll make you get that.
Alright, thanks.
Come on, yeah. I get round though.
Yeah.
Yeah, fast up.
Coming. Brownie, what's up? Brownie, what's up? I know say you my company. Me can come in. Sure, come inside. Girl, I know say I want reason why I come over here though. I know say last time I get a dream though. But me can't figure it out. My dream say your friend nude at your dirty WhatsApp on me.
Browning dream no walk straight, so it can be anything.
Yeah, I call my auntie and I ask her what that mean and she tell me say dirty WhatsApp mean disgrace and also my dream you in it too.
Browning, I don't believe in a superstition. Like, them something in a real. Like, why would you even think about that? I believe in them something there. By the way, you like my friend?
No, I don't like your friend, but I get a dream and I ask my auntie about it and she tell me XYZ, but I come to make your ear wag one or warn you. But anyway, still, me and my pot on fire, so in the later, so. Alright then. Yeah, later, girl.
Remember, a dream is just a dream. Hello?
Hey, babe, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, babe, what's up?
Um,
Huh? But then, I just leave work. I head home right now.
really, I thought you were gonna stop by.
No, man, I'm heading over right now. Like,
So you're coming by my place?
Yeah, I'm coming here.
Okay, I'm here waiting.
Alright, come on.
Alright.
See you happy to see me? Come like you miss me.
Yeah, but there and wait how long?
Yeah, bro. I mean, they're not alive still, but they look nice with the apartment, so I just bought them.
Yeah, cause the other day one of my flowers broke. But this is thanks. Like, nobody never do this since lately for me, so I'm gonna smell them and then already. Thanks.
Alright.
And put them over here, so.
Babes, honestly, I'm always so excited just to come home and see you.
This actually I go somewhere where I wanted to go. Like everything is running fluently, and that's all I ever wanted.
True.
And I love that. Like I just feel happy and everything. How about you?
I mean, this might sound cliche, but to be honest, the way how you make me feel, sometimes, I mean, I go to work and I feel like I not even want to eat anything for the day just by just thinking of you.
Really?
I swear.
I explain to you everything gone, and you just make me feel happy, and I just feel like this I go work. I just feel good.
I love how you just express yourself to me. I mean, just thinking about the first time I kissed, like for days, my body was numb.
So like, what's your point of view on marriage? What do you think?
Yeah, I do believe in marriage. Matter of fact, we have the right chemistry, and if we do get married, it's for a lifetime.
Really?
Yeah, it's for a lifetime. I believe in marriage, I don't believe in divorce. What do you think about kids?
I mean, of course. I mean, that's the sweetest gift from God, having kids, half dozen running around the place. You know? That's sweet. I mean, just to produce with somebody you love for the rest of your life. What could be more greater?
It's a good start.
Very good start. I mean, just a picture it from now. It's me walking at the altar, and then the night we go to the honeymoon. Yeah?
Ice cream and chocolate.
What about me, Jay?
My flavor? Oh, strawberry.
Feel yourself.
Thanks. Sure. Such a great friend.
You
No, come eat. We're doing ice cream and everything. Come. Come on, man. Let us see. I eat this one. And then we like the flavor. Babe, you want some of the ice cream?
Yeah, man. Now eat some of the ice cream, yes.
Alright, Akeem, get a spoon and a cup for me, please. Spoon and a cup, it's in the kitchen. Yeah, look like you're in my place. Hurry up. Before it melts.
You?
You're welcome. Whew. It was nice. And you saw the chocolate?
Hello.
Well,
Yeah, please? You alright? Yeah,
since you're coming, you've been kind of tense. You
No, I wonder if from earlier today if it alright, you know?
Oh, today? I told you I'm good. Get over that already. So, you enjoy the ice cream? Enjoy the ice cream, babes?
Yeah, babe. It's really nice. Akim, honestly, you have been a real good friend to Lexi. You know what I mean? Could never ask for a better friend for her.
Yeah, he is a gentleman.
No, it's alright, man. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, I gotta get going because, you know,
Oh, you want me to
obviously.
lead you to the door?
No problem.
Okay. I'll lead you, right?
Alright, yeah, man.
Lexi, seriously?
Aki, serious with what? What?
I'm there and I see this over and over again.
Right, feel. Listen, Siobhan broke my heart. Siobhan tore me into pieces. And I have somebody that I'm happy with. And we're friends. You should be happy. You should be sticking by my side. Not like going against me.
Lexi, you can't see something look out for your best interest.
My best then if you're looking for my best interest, be happy that I find somebody, not sad.
Listen,
All you have to do is be happy.
you can't listen to me? You can't listen to me for a second?
Alright.
Right now, you are behave like on a track star. You want to move too fast, you need to slow down. We've been friends for years.
I'm glad for your concern. I am so appreciative. But I mean, it's like you want to separate. We've been good. We're going strong. All you wanted from me was happiness. And I'm happy. So that is what I want right now. Happiness. Aren't you happy for me?
Lexi, me just concerned. That's all.
I'm glad that you're, as friends, I'm glad that you're concerned. I really appreciate that. But in good, I'm happy with it. Alright?
I'm going to say that I'm just concerned, but we've been friends for a long time. So, I'm going to trust you. I'm going to trust you.
That's all more if you did trust me.
Alright.
Alright? I'm leaving.
Alright.
I'll call you.
Alright, good night.
Good night. Babes.
I don't want this to come off as being me feeling jealous or anything, but to be honest, your friend made me feel really uncomfortable. Just in body language, just the whole vibe. I feel like it's either I'm jealous of both of us or I'm really like you.
Alright, look, we don't really want to take things the wrong road right now. I mean, Akid is just a friend, like a long time friend, and he's been there like for me, like whenever I go through things, even the last time I got my heart broken and all of that, and he was the only one who was there. So him just always look out for me and nothing else. So I don't think you should feel threatened or anything, because everything is just friends between me and him. And I'm focusing on you right now. You know, we've been talking like forever, and I'm feeling it right now. So let's just focus on us.
Alright, if you say so. Alright, so. Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to do
Oh, yeah, me help.
and then you stopped me.
Yeah.
Alright, you can help me sit down.
I'm get a beer for you. Set your foot, bubble, man. Sure. Where you going with that?
Cause what happened now, make y'all buy beer, give me.
So what? Stop going, someone.
What you want?
Stop going, someone. You know, say differently though. Lexi again, you know. No, say me go over there and like she get one new man. I not even know which part this man I come from. come in and send me out to go share out ice cream with this man and say, I say, me cut up, you know. She not even know me feel when we go over there. I'm just me keep it cool. I'm not want to turn or nothing. So that's why I'm going to link you because I want to line up, see him link, see if I can get this one. Then send him go foreign, see him. You see me? You know some rate like some. I really like I'm doing something, you know, but yo, 13 year man, I need more turn in my life, man. You can't sort out that one for me.
No man, cuz. Me can't take fear, stress and problem. Me not done settling already for your cuz. Furthermore, while link them gone over there now come till me.
It's alright. It's alright. Me sort out it. Me I go deal with it for myself. Me sort out it.
Cuz, nobody go do no foolishness, you know.
It's alright. Cool, everything cool. Don't worry yourself. You say your white link get mashed up or whatever and you can't push it. Me will work out something. But thanks anyway. How we link?
Alright, cuz. B,
Yeah.
you not go work.
Yeah. What time is it?
Soon I go to 11. Come and get ready.
Alright, and thanks for waking me up. Alright.
Yeah. Babes! Look like me have to stop getting a good senior, you know. Try to beat you out.
Come like you're mad. I prefer lose my walk.
Hello? Hello? Yeah?
We can do one people, please.
Yeah.
Alright, so my desktop, I'm gonna get home right now. They got the shows up the window them.
Your windows?
So, yeah, my windows them, I forgot to close them up. So I'm gonna ask if they close them up because I don't want the mosquito to close them up.
Alright. I'll do that.
Alright, thanks.
You okay though? Babes, may I go over Akeem, I'm my best friend. May I go take up some clothes for you. Alright? Alright.
Alexei, I don't think this is going to work out. I have a lot of things on my mind, and I've just been making it more difficult. I really don't know how to say this, but I'll try to be as diplomatic as I possibly can. My ex-girlfriend, she helped me to, acquire a job close to where she lives. That job I was always telling you about that you didn't seem to find interesting. And she's also pregnant. I'm sorry, Alexei, but this is just how it is. Take care. Exit. Why up on the floor crying? No.
Can't take it no more.
No.
I'm so broken.
You see what I tell you? I'm leaving, it's not true.
Just give up. We just
Sorry, I'm dead here for you. Everything I got. Everything I got. You see what I always I tell you? They're alright. See me always there for you. You're comfortable, man. Well, sleep. You must hungry, man. Yeah. I have one idea. All the stuff I do, I just leave early one. Me there here for 13 years. As a matter of fact, over 13 years. Lexi send me go everywhere. Everything me do it for her. What you do for her? Nothing. You just want to come and enjoy her. Now I'm gonna work.
I never mean to get involved in a Lexi thing, you know. Honestly to God. So, just let me go and me just make she just work out and everything good. Just pretend like nothing never happened.
And that's how this thing work, you know. I keep her here until I decide what I'm going to do with her. See how things work out with me and Lexi. Yeah. So. I'm not poison, man. They don't want to kill him, but I do that long time. Just so. That's it. Alright. Go on and make your bed. You have to go lay in it just the same. It's alright.
What? Where come from now? Which kind of maintenance you are talking now? Iva, what kind of maintenance you are talking about now? No, this serious. Remember saying me I hear you, Iva. What you say now?
Mr. Akame, I call for my maintenance.
Remember some do DNA and share them already, you know, and share them for me out of the 5, you know. Only 2 minutes do DNA pan yet, you know. So why should I give you maintenance for the 2 of them and me not do the DNA yet?
What you mean? You see, give me money. You still give me until you do it. When you do it, you still give me because you did it.
But me never reach. Everyone I race them 5 times, Iva. 5 times. That's why I tell police come find me now, because I'm there now, nobody can find me. Me there different place. Me don't know where it was out. You don't can't find me. You see, said man, the said man there give the church make him mind the people them.
And that really that can make your mouth say?
No, the said man over here get yo, you know. I go take much change the number here, you know. Me go change the number here, make you can call me Iva. Iva, I go want you love me, you know. Me go want you love me.
Listen to me, officer. Me not in a heap of him. Talking with you.
When the first, you know, when the first DNA come, you say, oops, accident. When the second one come, what you say? What you say? No, the third one, wait till the fifth one. Winner, all the time you go see me.
I want me come for the DNA for the next 2 with them. So if I don't call the phone, call the man them who get the first 3 and make them man the last 2.
Listen, so you're not giving no maintenance with them. So I'm
Okay about your maintenance, you know. Cause I'm not at the entrance anymore. So for me they far from you. 444.
to me, all of them the money the way they took for me from back then, me are gonna need them.
What me owe you for?
Get that?
You barely can't do nothing much. But you catch my eye top, or you can't catch my eye top. You barely can't do nothing. So we owe you for. The pensions money they done long time, come to give you money. Me take care of you, me make you fat, you know. When I work the night shift, a security company, then somebody day them gonna work on site to take care of you.
You tell me say you're gonna work when I'm not working there. You tell me all of that when I'm not working there. So you expect me to sit down in a house like figuring how you hear about my youth.
You never want to go walk. I never tell you to turn a yard. You never want to go walk. Who never want you to go walk? No, I tell you not to walk at the go-go club. The street dancing is not for you. I told you not to dance at the go-go club. I can do. You couldn't do that walk.
But me I get paid anything you know work. No matter what you want to do. No matter what you want to do, you still get paid, don't it?
You are my mistake, you know. After school days, me and you there, you know. Anyway, me not much talk to me. I gotta walk. Come from my phone now. You do your time.
Me do my time. Me I go fix your business. Just try to
go fix your first. Girl, go fix your first. You don't know me. Go fix your business first.
Anyone me book you, remember.
Buck, after you no cow. Later. Alright, your backside.
Morning, you have
Morning.
any salt? Maybe I get some, please.
No, it's
Not finished. You have any sugar? You do anything later?
Well, I gotta work and come back.
Just I invite you over for a drink.
Alright, so I'm not do drink, but
No, it's not literally liquor. Just have a drink, tea, water, anything else.
alright, that's cool. Cause your neighbor was kind of crazy. So you could do different.
Yeah, man, you?
Me alive.
You sure?
Me alive, yeah. Me sure it's me alive.
Alright,
Alright.
later.
Later.
What's up, Adine?
Morning.
Morning.
Alright?
Yes, I'm good. What's up?
I'm here. Oh, yeah, make breakfast.
Yeah, I'm making tea, actually. One tea hand. Why are you holding your hand?
No, man, you know, so me in the shower this morning, I dropped my hand.
What?
And feel like it's spring.
Why? It's not broke. But it's sprayed. Alright, go and go sit down. I make it here and come back.
Yeah, man. Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
It is.
You want to give me other hand?
Stretch over the food.
Alright, let's hold it.
Yeah.
Father God, as we come to you, I want to thank you for providing this for us. Thank you for strength. Thanking you for your mercy upon us. Thanking you for protection and all of that. And all I want to say, Father God, is just keep on protecting us, guiding us, covering us under your blood as we come before you. In your precious name we ask.
Amen.
You need to be more careful though. You can't hurt yourself. Worse than that. Alright?
I not even remember some of my hand sick. Yo, sandwich bad.
Thank
But my hand, this morning, me in the shower, Like me have to get one of them, you know, the mat them my stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the soap, I mean, they enjoy myself and whoops, slip and drop right.
You have to be more careful, Akim.
Oi,
What?
someone here in the salon going last night.
This a make on the road.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but this never too much still, you know, so here why you have to go there now. You have to go back out earlier this evening, you know. Later, man, go and get some rest, man, and don't oversleep, you know. Don't oversleep, because you have to go out early.
You know what's the difference though, cause I take a money from you know. I go on, I stay.
Cause right now I take money from you.
Yo, you know say every time you go on like you want to style me though. It's a change the money I go.
Cause me not no money, cause.
Alright. No, I appreciate it.
So yeah, how you Alexi?
Alexi good man. We're good. Right now I got beard, I got hold of fresh and go over there right now.
You should have live over there by now, cause I'm not beard too.
I rush nothing, you know. Hey, hero. I'm gonna move right now, you know. So, me see you.
Alright, cause. Alright.
Yo, mama. Forward. You gotta run on the block, yeah, so. What going? You're good? But yeah, what I think reach, you know. I'm tell you something how to deal with it, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, friend, though.
My friend long time, man.
You know, say your mama a long time if you cross a bridge, you know.
So if I'm going someone, may have a friend long time.
True, man. Big up yourself, man. You see me?
Thanks.
Yeah. Just go and fat up, see when you're here.
Yeah.
I mean, like a big fish I eat around there, you know.
Yo, call me right now, I have the money for you.
Pink! Oh.
Now, make sure some account in a car. When I force you to them. Alright. Yeah, my friend, you know, man, something can go on, you know.
No. Friendship broke right aside, don't right so. You get back your money, friendship don't so. Move first and go on my business. Go on, move.
Yeah, you go along. All because you borrow my money. I ask you back feet when I get it back. I know you give me it back, a problem. When you give me it back, a problem. You see, Uno?
Come out and go on. Go on.
Everything good.
Where?
Me have yard, you know. I live somewhere. On a trip, I live. You see, Uno? You go on here and get here.
Akim, you have to go home now. You know you can't sleep over here. You have to go home now.
What time?
No, but one. Can't believe you slept away through all of this.
You know, if you wait up,
Yeah, man. I'm be safe while you're going home, right? Oh, Akim, when you get something to me tomorrow, alright?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. You know you're a real friend. Couldn't ask for a better friend.
Good night.
Good night.
Well,
Then,
everything is okay, right?
yeah man, I good enough.
You know, say, I'm phone there's zero, like absolutely zero. I just come to buy a charger.
I think we can learn a charger still.
Yeah, I would really appreciate that. I'm phone dead right now.
My phone not too strong enough, so I'm going to want my charger. I'm not going to charge the phone.
Sure.
Don't be like other people, you know, who will lend things and not get it back. Yeah?
Come on, Ras, I won't do that.
Alright. See here.
Thanks.
Look on it and check it.
Yeah, it's the right one, see?
Is it that?
Same charging port.
That go fit tonight?
Yeah, man, it's gonna fit. Thanks.
I remember because.
Because a lot of persons don't like laying out iPhone charger. So, thanks.
Oh, man.
What's up?
Girl, you know the charger I'm coming from.
Ooh, charger. Give me a bit. Sorry for holding it up.
Yeah, but tell her, you know, say, I have things to do, you know what I mean? And still, you see, my thing look like my thing will mash up because of this and now.
I fell asleep. I'm sorry. I was so tired. Why you always deal with me so rough? What me ever do?
Okay. Nah, I deal rough, but I just discipline, you know what I mean? Because my youth like this, you know, discipline. That's why I know people don't agree, you know what I mean?
Well, you always do it. Like, I don't know if me ever do something or I don't know.
You see, pretty woman always do a thing to me because them always hurt me, you know what I mean? That's why I'm there about myself, you know. You know what I mean? You know when I see my baby mother, them pretty like money.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you know, work out with them because them just to play madness some of the time. They're not faithful, you know what I mean? And they're not loyal. So I'm a pretty woman, I don't trust them too much, I let them think, that's why I give me it back. It's if you're an ugly girl, I can keep it. That's how I always say, yeah?
But Russ, I never pretty woman I see.
My heart breaks too much time with pretty woman here. There you go.
Good thing.
Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Yeah, the friends one. Yeah, thanks for watching, you know what I mean? And please do remember to subscribe. Big up all of the sponsor them, you know what I mean? We always keep the fire blazing. Big up all of the producer them, you know what I mean? Big up all of the fans them, big up all of the new subscriber, the old subscriber foundation them, big up everybody, you know what I mean? We help push the thing forward because it's very necessary in this island of mine where so much distraction on a daily basis, you know what I mean? And so much problem that we face. So we do entertainment to kind of take the mind off of the stress and things that's going on. So I hope you enjoy it and watch the next part, you know what I mean? So the next part is going to be more revealing because the first part is just giving you a taste of it. Then you're going to get the new part is going to be a whole different turn up, you know what I mean? So it's a good vibration, friend zone. Lots of people in the friend zone for years, for real in real life, you know what I mean? And I know them still night them now come out, you know what I mean? So saying this to say that we have a song now where we're gonna put out. We don't get to do the video, unfortunately, no. So we can get a you hear it tonight, I play it. Yeah man, so enough people can relate to it. Yeah, so we now get to do the video till the end. At the end of it, you'll get the video. You know what I mean? So keep watching and comment, you know what I mean? And we are trying to push the narrative of Jamaica being part of contribution to development more than be just a consumer. We have to get involved. Too long have we been pushed aside. Black people in Jamaica are the my last with them, and I put we down there. But I try to lift we from down there. You know what I mean? We have to get involved and make fear is fear. Be a part of Jamaica. Not be the part where we all only do the work. But be part of it who can change things for the better, make we have a better country. Cause too long as people been tricking us, you know what I mean? So too much of trickery. But we not come for too much preaching and teaching. But remember, burn it down to the ground at all time. When you hear me attack, you know, so I just speak out the truth, because truth is what really set me free. But another place and another time we can talk about that bridging and hygiene and sistering and young one stay in school. And if you not go to school and now go up on the online class and try to learn as much as you can learn. Get the education. And when you older, re-educate yourself, you know what I mean? Try to uplift yourself, you know what I mean? That nobody tell you that you're not worth it. You're worth it. You're beautiful. Beautiful people in a beautiful world, burn it down. Jamaica is at a place where we're getting so much distraction. So only the negative vibration is getting more reward than who's putting the real work. You know what I mean? So we, the real people, have to continuously do the work without no day off, no sleep, because it's very hard to do good in a one place where they want everybody to do bad. You know what I mean? So it's a fight on an everyday basis, just trying to do good. Yeah man, so big up the camera, Virgin Lawrence. I'm starting the movie, you go see him. Burn it down to the ground. So leave some comments, man. Talk about the movie and talk about your similar situation where you go through in this friend zone business. And all the girl, talk about how much people put in a friend zone too. One way you do, you know what I mean? One who a baller now. One who wants some man can't get none. Too much mix up. Burn it down to the ground. Yeah, burn it down to the ground. Live and living color. Come in our place. Watch out. You have toaster, you have everything. Can make your tea, this and that. You have your utensils, you have a knife, fork and everything. You have a stove, you have the fridge, them. Everything at work, said we. You have your microwave, hot of food. You have a cup and plate, you open up everything here. You have everything that's up. Come in here, yes or no. You have your good bathroom. Turn on some light, you see what I go on. You have a good bathroom. Soap there, everything there already. Same way. You have AC. You have fan, you have room to put the things them in, you can lock up your belongings them. If it's a man that travel heavy and you have two stacks, you can lock up your money in there so. You know what I mean? Nobody can take you out. So I'm got things. There you have big enough bed. That bed you can hold. If it's a man that roll like a one king, see right here, the king size bed this year. You know what I mean? You roll you and your girlfriend or your wife a roll. You want to spend some time like Negril, because we are Jamaicans. And if you're worldwide and you want to spend some time, you can come here, so you can spend some time. It's easy and affordable. You know what I mean? You also the number, you can contact. You know what I mean? Good community, same way. You know what I mean? You have veranda space, you can get a bit of fresh air. A grill and the upstairs so it's safe. You don't have to worry about. And that's why the next thing have is safety. But you can't do Jamaica and not go nowhere. So you want to know Negril, this is the place you can come book your room, and then after you book your room and you have belongings them, you put on your clothes. You have a vehicle down here, you carry anywhere you want to go. Same way, if you not carry one vehicle. And you're just 7 miles away. Not 7 miles, 7 minutes away for the 7 mile. Just 7 minutes away. Walking to the beach, to the 7 Mile beach. And the west end now is a famous Rick's Cafe if you want to go see the sunset. You know what I mean? You can go there, so you have drive here so we can carry to there. So you can't die Jamaica, though if you're poor or anywhere there in the world, but I say Jamaicans too. Remember say, we don't feel live a look at you. You know what I mean? So come on, come get to know Negril. No matter where you come from in our parish, just book your stay and just reach in. You know what I mean? The bus park is right over this. So all if you don't have a car, you book your bus ticket and come down, just jump on a taxi or come on a bus and just come there so get a bag and everything. You drop yourself, you have a room for stay. You have everything that you have AC, you have water, you have everything you can, you carry your food come. You got some market buy your food if you don't have 1 2 days, buy things where you want, but the things them then you go where you want to go, if you want buy. The thing we were just there 5 minutes away from the town. You know what I mean? Walking distance. So you know, say if you jump on you know one taxi faster or drive there to can assist in them way. So remember, check it out, you know what I mean? You go see the rest of the information that you need below or somewhere around this message. You know what I mean? So we'll carry up top, make you see. I'm going to carry to our next room, quick and fast. Alright, look over here so now. This is the next room now. It's 2 bedroom. There is 2 bed in 1 room. You know what I mean? 2 bed in 1 room. It carry the same things them like this have. But that only have 2 bed. You know what I mean? If one of them have TV, you know what I mean, and things so and them have Wi-Fi. So you know, so you can hook up the internet and watch the things them say there. So no fun to travel with the next week account, you did it too, and YouTube did it too. So you can't lose. So it's a good getaway. You know what I mean? The people are stressing out. Get away. And go, you know, no matter where you come from. You could have come from Kingston or Mobile. Get away to somewhere in Negril, enjoy yourself. You know what I mean? Good community, no crime and violence. You know what I mean? So come in, come see what I want.